Merida, Mexico, an episode of the best LGBTQ-friendly destinations of 2019. Charming and traditional yet modern and progressive, with an open-minded attitude regarding all shades of the gender and sexuality spectrum, Merida stands apart from the rest of Mexico's LGBTQ-friendly destinations due to its distinct Mayan culture and influence from European settlers. Situated on the Yucatan Peninsula, the city draws visiting U.S. expats who are seduced into staying in once crumbling, now gorgeously restored 18th and 19th century haciendas. Expat real estate agent and home restorer Keith Heitka has been featured on multiple episodes of HGTV's House Hunters International, and his late partner David Sterling founded thriving Yucatecan cooking school Los Dos. Another gay couple from Ohio, Michael and Robert, transformed a 250-year-old colonial mansion into a lovely 5-room boutique property, Villa Verde. Merida Gay Tours offers a handful of curated tours and experiences, while one can easily spend a day solo exploring Merida's Old Town, Plaza Grande, Contemporary Art Museum McKay, and Lucas de Galvez Market are musts. Come evening, get your dance and drinks, and go-go boys, on at PK2 Disco and Closet Bar. And while winter is peak visitor season, don't miss Merida Gay Pride in June. LF